So, good day po.
Hello, good morning po
Welcome.
sa lahat. Ako
Today,
po si Adriel Joshua de
yes,
Luisaga.
and I am
Tapos ang
Clement
kapares ko po ngayon.
Cabuntocan. Today we're going
ah
to, ano bang gagawin natin ngayon, AJ?
so we're gonna talk about all about
Yeah,
because this question is like bugging me since I was a child and ever since then
really.
until now. Yes, this question has been on my mind. So the
So
question that we
basically,
picked
this is a
is
philosophical discussion about the philosophical
yes of
question
this.
we chose. And what was that
Yeah, so it's
question?
all. The question is about why is the universe so vast? I mean,
It's funny
this is
kasi
a
'di ba kung
common question.
iisipin mo,
And
parang oo nga no, gaano kalaki yung universe. Like grabe.
oh,
Like may iba pa mga galaxy. Like how long will it ano 'di ba? How long will it span?
oh, I mean, marami akong beses naririnig to sa mga kasama ko dun sa
Mm.
Saudi tsaka dito. Talaga mapapaisip ka na lang, bakit ba nga ba malaki yung universe? Ano bang purpose nito? I
Yeah.
mean, pag inisipan mo, di ba, ang sobrang liit natin,
Yeah, we're like
ang
one
ganun.
speck.
So,
So, yun nga eh. Like, may picture ako nakita about sa observable universe na na-discover ng mga scientists. Sipin mo yung Milky Way, isang speck lang, ang
oh,
liit, ganun kalaki yung observable universe. How much more yung mga iba pang
mm,
universe, 'di ba? Like, is there even one? You know, 'di ba? Parang
yan
gulo.
nga eh.
So,
Oo,
dito
magulo
natin
nga.
pag-uusapan 'yun. And
So, pagtutunguhan na muna natin ang perspective ng religion. So, in the eyes of Christianity, in Genesis, God created the heavens and the earth. Yung paggawa niya sa langit, madami niya nilagay na between, tapos ang earth, ni-mold niya by a form of clouds. Yun.
mhm.
So, sa Panginoon, ginawa niya yung universe, may purpose yun. Okay, so makikita natin dito sa Colossians 1 verse 16, for in him all things were created, things in heaven and on earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or powers or rulers or authorities, all things have been created through him and for him. Now, pag inisipan mo yung sa teksto na yon,
Like lahat
makikita
may
mo na
purpose, no? Oo.
lahat ito, lahat may purpose. As in, yung mga stars doon sa langit, the stars in the heavens, they all have a purpose, all for glory of the God, right?
Yes.
Ito pa, pwede ko din sabihin sa Romans 11 verse 36. For from him and through him and from him are all things, to him be the glory forever. Amen. So, pag sa Christianity, um, all these things, the universe itself is for his glory. Kasi alam mo yung mga kasabihan nila, God is omnipotent.
Almighty.
He's almighty. Yun. Parang
Yes.
sobrang laki niya. So lahat itong universe na to parang sa kanya lang, nasa palad niya lang, 'di ba?
Mm. Parang para
Oh.
ipakita sa atin na yung glory niya, yung power niya.
Oh.
Oo.
Oh. Tapos okay, so ayun yung sa Christianity. Sa ganun naman din sa Quran. Sa Quran pinag-usapan that He created the heavens and the earth in 6 days naman. Ayun yung sa Quran.
Ah.
Tapos makikita din natin dito sa Daria verse 51, chapter 51 verse 47, and the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander.
Oh.
Nag-research ako dito. So, ang ibig daw sabihin nito, kasi marami daw interpretation nito. Ang ibig daw sabihin nito, yung heaven ay constructed by God and it will continue to expand. Parang palaki siya ng palaki by Allah's hand sa Muslims.
Oh,
Yun
it's
yung
funny kasi
lang ko doon.
pwede natin pag-uusapan natin 'to mamaya. Pero yung take note, pero yung fact na sinabi diyan na
Oh,
the universe will continue to expand, that will be key to our
yun nga.
discussion later. Yun nga. Oo. Kasi
Yeah.
scientifically, meron ring nagsasabi na nag-expand niya ang universe.
So,
So, addition niya sa religion, meron pa yung mga Buddhist. So, meron sila tinatawag ng Buddhist
mm,
cosmology. Um, so, the
mga
Buddhists,
Buddhist,
following
no?
the traditions of their Indian forefathers, saw the universe as infinite in time and space, and filled with an infinite number of worlds like our own. So, yun yung paniniwala nila, infinite rin ang universe. Infinite in time and space.
Oh,
So, ano pa ba? Above our ordinary world, meron daw dalawang realms. The realm of Rupa
ah,
Dhatu and even the higher realm of formlessness, Arupa Dhatu. Sa ilalim naman ng mga realms na yon, may realm of desire, Kama Dhatu, which
yes, sir.
contains 6 domains. Gatis.
Mm-mm.
Lahat dito may sariling uri, may sariling kind of being. You have devas or gods.
So, bale,
Ah,
para, it's like talking about its purposes as well
yes, parang lahat may
for like the
purposes.
universe.
Oo. Para lahat
Oh,
sila may parang identity. So, going back, we have
okay.
number 1, devas or gods, asuras or titans, manusyas or humans, tiryaks or animals, pretas or hungry ghosts, and narakas or demons. So, yun lang yung sinasabi nila basically. Infinite daw ang universe in time and space, and lahat yon
Mm.
may mga domains.
Oh.
Mm.
So, enough with religion now, since in
Oh,
this
yeah.
perspective religion, marami tayong makikita dito na explanation of
Oh,
why the universe is vast.
yep.
So we're going to be going to a rational explanation through scientific stuff. For example, theories about the Big Bang. Okay, Big Bang theory. So we start off with the creation of the universe to the eyes of science. The scientific theory about the Big Bang, which was first dictated or first elaborated by Georges Lemaitre during the 1920s.
Yeah, pero wait lang ah.
Now,
'Di ba ang philosophical question natin, why is the universe expanded?
yeah,
Kaya kami nag-start
or
sa
vast.
Big Bang Theory kasi ano po, key to para malaman natin kung bakit ah, expand,
Oh,
nag-expand ang
oh,
universe. Kasi
since
we need to start from the source, 'di ba?
we need to go back,
Yep.
we need to go back from the beginning.
Yes.
Like, how did it first started? What to become so vast, you know?
Mm. So, okay.
So now, so sabi ni Georges Lemaitre na nagaling ang Big Bang sa small but powerful primal superatom. Itong atom na to, it exploded and the universe was created through it. Going to Edwin Hubble's discovery in 1920s,
1929.
he did 1920 na, okay. So he discovered that wavelength and decrease in frequency and photon energy between galaxies. He observed that galaxies are going further away from each other, and
Oh
he
yeah, that's the
measured it.
redshift theory.
Yeah, the redshift. You
Oh,
know, he
yeah.
discovered that with the larger the further galaxies, it gives off a large wavelengths, and the closer galaxies to our Milky Way, it only gives off a small
Wavelength, yeah.
wavelength. That's why he was able to perceive that galaxies tend to go farther away from each other.
Mm.
But additionally to that, we have this discovery that Andromeda Galaxy. You know that, right? The
Yeah, yeah.
closest galaxy to our Milky Way. That each year or each billions of years, it will grow closer to our own galaxies. So, in the next millennium or in the next trillion years, our galaxy will be combined with Andromeda. So that's what I have discovered. Okay, that's only additional information.
Mm.
Now, continuing our discussion about how vast the universe is through
Yeah,
Edwin's
I have
discovery,
seen.
we
Wait lang.
know that
I have seen, by the way, that space is so vast And sinabi nila na hypothetically
Ah,
infinite na nga ang space. So,
yeah,
to
yeah.
be exact, like I said earlier, we have 46.5 billion light years of observable universe. Yun nga yung nakita natin
Yeah, yeah.
picture na nakuha ng scientists. And beyond it, di pa natin makomprehend what lies beyond the
Oh,
observable universe. So, di pa natin
yun
alam
nga.
kung ano pa yung
Yeah,
what's next, di ba?
because because the universe is always expanding,
Yeah.
right? Since ever since the Big Bang theory or the Big Bang, to be exact. Now, in an instance, because when scientists are trying to comprehend this uh, this phenomena, there's something playing in it, like why is the universe
Yeah, may
expanding and it's becoming
factor.
so vast. So, oh, may factor na nagpe-play doon. Now, ang scientists, hindi pa nila alam kung bakit nag-expand or why galaxies hold space. Because on a subatomic scale, the gravity within the galaxies are not strong enough to hold it. Like,
To hold its
kasi
own. Yeah.
yung to hold its own, it's calculated that there's not enough force or gravity or force of attraction that is happening in the galaxies that um, clusters all the stars. Now,
This is where dark
sinabi na
energy
this is,
would
yeah,
play. Yeah.
dark energy and dark matter will play.
Yep.
So dark matter, it's like um ano yan, siya yung nag-hold sa mga galaxies. It's like an invisible matter. We cannot observe it, we cannot measure it, but
This is
we
what
can
makes
see
the
it as
galaxies
well.
together. Yeah. This is what ties the
Yeah, yeah.
galaxies together.
Yan yung
Kaya,
dark matter. Yung nagko-play ng factor sa doon. Now, pag inusapan natin dark energy, ito yung nag-expand, ito yung di natin ma-measure, tsaka hindi natin ano yun, detect, pero alam natin nandun kasi nakikita natin.
mhm.
Nakikita natin siya nag-expand.
I mean, hindi
Now,
natin kita, napapansin natin yung phenomena na ginagawa niya na nag-e-expand.
oh,
Yep.
ano naman. Tapos, ang sinabi ng mga scientists or discover ng mga scientists, dark energy is what keeps the universe accelerating its expansion. That's why it's so vast. Marami nag-iisip na itong energy na to will come to an end and it might
Cause of,
continue to go farther away,
yep,
or baka naman all the galaxies or the universe will collapse
collide.
itself.
Yeah. Would collapse.
So pag inisipan natin, or for instances, if we put it into a real life uh, example, think of it as a bread. Nilagay mo sa oven tapos may mga raisins on it, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So habang niluluto mo or while you're cooking that bread will continue to expand.
Yes.
Tapos yung raisins na sa taas yon, maglalayo sila, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Ayun yung ma-observe natin doon. Now, pag in-apply natin ang scientific stuff doon, think of the raisins as galaxies.
Galaxies.
Tapos the bread itself as space. Habang niluluto na ng patagal na niluluto natin doon, tuloy-tuloy mag-expand yun.
Yep, and at the same time, yung mga raisins, palayo ng palayo sa isa't isa. Kaya, pinapakita na palayo ng palayo yung mga galaxies sa isa't isa. Yep.
Tapos yung role doon ay dahil doon sa dark energy.
Yeah, all of
Yung
this,
dark
by the
energy
way, is
talaga.
all theory. Hindi pa siya scientifically proven. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi pa natin alam kung may dark energy man talaga or dark matter. Yun lang yung tawag natin. Kasi yun yung napapansin natin. Yung fact na
Because
intact ang
of
mga
our
galaxies. Yep.
yeah. Because of our technology today, we cannot we still have a limit, but once we discovered more and more technologies, we will break through those limits and understand or comprehend the immeasurable data we have in the universe, right?
Yeah.
But since
That's
our
true.
technology today has only this, we have limitations in what we can understand.
Mhm. So, sabi daw, many scientists that studies quantum physics and cosmology are trying to make sense out of dun nga, sa research na sinabi mo, yung sa dark
Oh,
energy. But, they attempt to measure and comprehend the reality and existence beyond the observable space. Sinasabi nila, there might be multiple multiverse or another reality in our
oh,
universe.
that, that's another possibility, but we don't know yet.
Yeah, this can be backed up with Stephen Hawking's theory. Yeah. Alam mo yung
Uh,
movie, The Theory of
since,
Everything?
oh,
Like parang
hindi ko pa napapanood, pero
oh,
alam ko
ganda
na.
'yun. Like parang inexplain niya na may multiple university na ako ay ibang ginagawa, iba yung ugali ko. Sinasabi niya 'yun, multiple realities.
Hmm.
Ah,
I mean, there's so many theories that can confuse it. Like, also, we can talk about Einstein's theory, theory of relativity.
yeah.
That space-time travel is like um, very different. Like, we don't know what's out there. We don't know how the universe, why it's so large, and how it
Yeah,
works.
there's only so
Like,
much we can learn.
yeah.
Yep.
So we cannot comprehend why the universe is so vast. Is there like it's so? Is there any life forms in our universe, or are we the only one in here? Now that's another question, okay?
Yeah, that's
But
another question for another day.
yeah, that's another question. Yeah. So, and what is the purpose of it? So, however, we can make sense of what can we observe. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
like the
what
dark
we learn from
matter.
dark energy, yeah,
Mhm.
dark energy, dark matter, the gravity, the electromagnetic field. All these factors teaches us why the universe is vast. Like, what is the purpose of these stars?
Yeah.
Do they have any effect on us?
Yeah,
All of these have a purpose in our universe.
they play big keys on us trying to discover how vast is the universe.
Or may
When you
yeah.
think of it, 'di ba?
So
Kung isipin mo, our
mm,
existence is just a tiny speck of dust. That if there is any
yeah,
purpose of us to even exist, is there a God that governs all of this? We don't
yeah,
know
that's the
because of the vast
religion
nature
perspective.
of
Yeah,
the universe we are given more philosophical questions about our reality. So,
yeah.
yun nga, this question is really, mind-boggling. Ang dami nating pwedeng
Oh,
i-factor out sa
ang dami natin
pagsagot.
pwedeng usapan.
Yeah.
Pero ang naano natin, natutunan dito, if we're going to talk about scientific stuff, is that the universe is so large because of the Big Bang.
Yep.
And it will continue to expand due to the
Dark
dark
energy
energy
and
that
dark
is
matter.
playing a role in it. Yeah. Now, in religion, there's many reasons
Many
why the universe is
reasons.
so vast. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think
So,
we're step by step going closer to the truth, you know? 'Di ba?
yeah.
Palapit na tayo sa reason.
Kasi palaki na din ng ano, parang we're getting more and more
Yeah, we're learning
technology,
more and
or
more
we're
new
more
things.
advanced. Yeah, advanced technology, and maybe in the coming futures that we will comprehend, or we will get the
Answer.
idea
Yeah, we
of
will get the
why
answer.
the answer to why the universe is vast.
So,
So that's all to it.
yeah,
That's
I
our
guess.
discussion about the philosophical question of why the universe is vast.
We
There are
hope.
many possible answers to this question, and
Yeah, we hope we entertained you,
yeah,
guys.
yeah. Okay, thank you,
So,
sir. Thank you for
thank you.
watching.